Now question of the day, the pulleys and strings shown in figure are smooth and neglecting mass. Okay, the pulley, this one pulley are smooth and neglecting mass, and string also neglecting mass. Okay, for the system to remain in equilibrium, the angle theta should be, our motto determine that angle and that angle, basically our motto determine theta. Okay, so and whole system in equilibrium means net force on this mass and this mass is 0. Okay, so how can we determine theta? So first of all, if you see very carefully, make free body diagram of that small m block. Mg always work on downward, m into g. Okay, tension develop in this string, suppose that T1. Okay, now here also T1, here also T1. Okay, so if system in equilibrium means this mass is also not moving in upward direction and downward direction, in not x direction and minus x direction. So you can say that T1 this is equal to mg, net force on this m block is 0, so it means T1 this is equal to, possibility is T1, if T1 this is equal to mg, then this one is not moving. Okay, after that, now look this one, suppose that here string, one string and that is a second string, so tension T2 generate here, and if you make free body diagram, the small m block, there is a small mg downward and T2 here also. Okay, now this small m block also in equilibrium, so you can say that T2 this is equal to mg. Now look, T1 this is equal to T2 this is equal to mg. Okay, it means that T2 basically T1 and that T2 this is equal to T1, so T1 here and here also T1 generate. Okay, now after that, if you see very carefully, next point, if you make free body diagram, that block mg root 2 m into g downward, here T1, here T2, here T1, here T1. Okay, now make component of T1 in y direction, that is T1 cos theta, and in this direction T1 sin theta. Okay, and T1 component along this direction, that is T1 cos theta, and here T1 sin theta. Clear? Clear or not? And this 2m root 2m block is not going downward or upward or in x direction, positive x direction and minus x direction. So you can say that it means that component this is equal to that component. Okay, and component of y direction, that is T1 cos theta plus T1 cos theta, that is written 2 T1 cos theta, this is equal to how much? Root 2 into mg. Clear? And T1 also mg, so you can say that 2 mg into cos theta, this is equal to root 2 mg. mg cancel, so cos theta is written as root 2 divided by 2, and that is root 2 divided by 2 is also written as root 2 into root 2, so 1 by root 2. So cos theta is 1 by root 2, it means theta this is equal to how much? 45 degree. Okay, make it. So which one angle, which option is correct option? C option is the correct option, make it.